Are you tired of medical bills draining your bank account faster than a leaky faucet? Well, grab your stethoscope and get ready for a financial checkup. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we turn financial headaches into financial breakthroughs. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects nearly everyone: the rising costs of healthcare. But don't worry, we've got the prescription for savings right here. Let's start with a quick reality check. Did you know that despite over 90% of Americans having some form of health insurance, medical debt is still a massive problem? It's true. According to recent studies, a whopping 41% of adults are struggling with healthcare-related debt. That's almost half the country. But here's the kicker: this isn't just affecting a specific group. People with health issues, disabilities, and even those who consider themselves healthy are all feeling the pinch. The impact of this medical debt is far-reaching. People are cutting back on essentials like food and clothing, dipping into their savings, or even taking on additional debt just to cover their medical expenses. It's a vicious cycle that can have long-lasting effects on financial stability and overall well-being. But fear not, we've got not one, not two, but 8 incredible tips to help you save money on medical expenses. 1. Prevention is better than cure. Now, I know this might sound like something your grandma would say, but trust me, it's golden advice. Taking care of your health is the first and most crucial step in reducing medical expenses. Eating right, maintaining a healthy weight, getting regular exercise, and avoiding smoking are all ways to keep your body running smoothly. By doing this, you're not just feeling better day to day, you're also avoiding expensive tests and treatments for chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Here's a pro tip: take advantage of free health screenings. Many pharmacies and community centers offer free blood pressure checks, diabetes screenings, and more. Catching potential issues early can save you big bucks down the line. 2. Become a medical shopping pro. All right, time to channel your inner bargain hunter. Just like you'd shop around for the best deal on a new TV, you should do the same for medical care. I know, it sounds weird to shop for healthcare, but hear me out. Treatment prices can vary wildly from one provider to another. So the next time your doctor orders a test or procedure, don't be shy about contacting several providers to compare prices. You might be surprised at the differences you find. Just remember, while price is important, so is the quality of care. It's about finding that sweet spot between affordability and excellent treatment. 3. Stay in the network. When it comes to healthcare providers, there's a VIP list called the in-network providers. These are the rock stars of savings in the medical world. They have a contract with your health plan, which means they've agreed to charge lower rates. By choosing in-network providers, you're automatically paying less. It's like having a permanent discount card for healthcare. So, before you book that appointment or procedure, double-check if the provider is in your network. Your wallet will thank you later. 4. Urgent care versus emergency room. Know the difference. Picture this: it's Saturday night and you've got a nasty cut that needs stitches. Your first instinct might be to rush to the emergency room. But hold up, unless it's a life-threatening situation, you might want to consider urgent care instead. The difference in cost between urgent care and emergency care can be staggering. Emergency rooms are equipped to handle severe, life-threatening situations, and they charge accordingly. Urgent care centers, on the other hand, can handle most non-life-threatening issues at a fraction of the cost. So, unless you're facing a true emergency, opting for urgent care or even your primary care provider can save you a significant amount of money. It's like choosing between a 5-star restaurant and a cozy diner. Both will feed you, but one will leave your wallet a lot lighter. Remember, if you're ever in doubt about the severity of your condition, it's always better to err on the side of caution and head to the ER. Your health comes first. 5. Harness the power of health savings accounts, HSAs. Now let's talk about a financial superhero in the world of healthcare, the health savings account, or HSA. Think of an HSA as a piggy bank for your medical expenses but with some seriously cool superpowers. Here's how it works. You put money into your HSA before taxes are taken out of your paycheck. This money can then be used tax-free for qualified medical expenses. But wait, it gets better. Any money you don't use rolls over to the next year, and you can even invest it. It's like a 401k for your health. To be eligible for an HSA, you need to be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. If you are, opening an HSA could be one of the smartest financial moves you make for your healthcare needs. 6. Become a prescription savings ninja. Alright, time to tackle one of the biggest culprits in medical expenses, prescription drugs. But don't worry, we've got some ninja moves to help you save. First up, always ask about generic alternatives. These are like the store brand cereals of the drug world, just as effective but much cheaper. Next, don't be shy about asking your doctor if there are less expensive alternatives to your current medications. They might know of options you haven't considered. Another pro tip, take your medications as directed. I know it might be tempting to skip pills to make them last longer, but this can lead to bigger health problems and bigger bills down the road. Lastly, check out prescription discount programs. Many pharmacies and even some apps offer significant discounts on medications. Remember, never compromise on your health to save money. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication regimen. 7. Be a bill detective. When you get a medical bill, don't just accept it at face value. Put on your detective hat and give it a thorough once-over. Billing errors are more common than you might think, and catching them can save you big bucks. Look for things like duplicate charges, incorrect dates of service, or procedures you don't remember having. If something looks fishy, don't hesitate to call the billing office for clarification. And always keep your receipts. They might come in handy if you need to dispute a charge. Remember, questioning your bill isn't being difficult, it's being financially responsible. You wouldn't pay for items you didn't buy at a store, so why do it with your medical bills? Remember, your diligence could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 8. Negotiate like a pro. Our final tip might surprise you. You can negotiate medical bills. I know it sounds intimidating, but hear me out. If you're facing a mountain of medical debt, reaching out to your provider's billing offices could be a game changer. Many providers are willing to work with patients on payment plans or even reduce the amount owed. They'd rather get some payment than no payment at all. So, gather your courage, pick up the phone, and see what options are available. You might be surprised at how willing they are to work with you. Remember, the worst they can say is no. You have nothing to lose by asking. And there you have it, folks. 8 powerful tips to help you save money on medical expenses in 2024. Remember, taking control of your healthcare costs is an important part of your overall financial health. It might take some effort, but the savings are worth it. I hope these tips help you keep more money in your pocket and less stress in your life when it comes to medical expenses. Remember, your health is your wealth, so invest in it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips.